In this video, you'll learn how to promote Digistore24 products on Pinterest step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover everything from finding the right product to sharing it effectively on Pinterest so you can start earning commissions. Pinterest is a powerful platform for affiliate marketing because it acts as a visual search engine where millions of users go to find ideas, solutions, and products. Unlike other social media platforms, content on Pinterest has a long shelf life. A single pin can get views and clicks for weeks or even months after it's posted. This makes it an ideal platform for promoting products as an affiliate. Digistore24 is one of the leading affiliate marketplaces, offering thousands of digital and physical products across a wide range of categories. From health and fitness to software, online courses, and even lifestyle products, Digistore24 provides everything you need as an affiliate to get started and earn commissions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access the Digistore24 marketplace, explore different products, and choose the ones that fit your audience. I'll also explain how to generate your affiliate links, prepare high-quality images, and post your pins on Pinterest in a way that gets noticed. Even if you've never done affiliate marketing before or don't have an existing audience, this step-by-step method makes it easy to start promoting and driving sales. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just the technical steps, but also how Pinterest and Digistore24 work together in affiliate marketing, and why this combination is one of the easiest ways for beginners to start earning online. To get started, open your web browser and type in digistore24.com. Log in to your Digistore24 account using your email address and password. If you're new, you can create an account first, but for now, we'll assume you're already logged in. After clicking the Login button, wait a few seconds and you'll be redirected to your Digistore24 dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools you need, including the affiliate marketplace, where you can browse products and generate your own affiliate links. In the other tab, I have my Pinterest account open. We'll come back to that shortly. For now, let's focus on Digistore24. After logging in, go to the Marketplace section at the top and click on All Offers in the Affiliate Marketplace. When you scroll down, you'll see a wide range of products available for promotion. On the left-hand side, you'll notice different filters such as product categories, services, shipping products, payment methods, and more. These filters help you narrow down the type of products you want to promote. Under product categories, you can choose digital products, events and seminars, services, and other options. For example, if you want to promote digital products, click the arrow to expand the category. You'll see different niches such as animals and pets, business and investments, computer and internet, food and drink, and more. Let's say you want to promote something related to food or diet. When you select that category, you'll see a list of available products along with their prices. You can scroll through the pages or use the arrows to move forward and backward until you find a product you're interested in. Once you find a product you want to promote, click on it. You'll be able to see important details such as the product price, commission, earnings per visitor, vendor information, and payment methods. Take some time to read the product description and understand what it offers. This step is important because you should only promote products you believe are valuable and worth recommending. If you decide to promote the product, the next step is to save the product image. Simply right-click on the image and save it to your computer. After that, go back to your Pinterest account by visiting pinterest.com and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside Pinterest, click on the Create option at the top. You can either drag and drop the image or upload it directly from your folder. After uploading the image, add the title of the product. You can copy the product title directly from the Digistore24 page and paste it into the title field on Pinterest. Next, move on to the description section. Here, you should write a clear and relevant description explaining what the product is about and why someone should check it out. You can read the product details on Digistore24 to help you write this, or you can use tools like ChatGPT to assist you. Keep it simple, informative, and focused on the benefits. Now it's time to add your affiliate link. Go back to the Digistore24 product page and click on the Promote Now button. This will generate your promo link. Copy that link and paste it into the link box on Pinterest. This is the link people will click to visit the product page. After that, choose a board where you want to save this pin. Make sure the board is relevant to the product niche. It's also very important to tag relevant topics so your pin reaches the right audience. For example, if you're promoting a diet or vegan product, you can tag topics like vegan recipes, healthy recipes, diet, or healthy living, depending on what's available. These tags help Pinterest show your pin to users searching for similar content. You can also adjust additional options, such as allowing comments or showing similar products. Once everything looks good, click Publish. After publishing, you can view your post to see how it appears on Pinterest. You'll be able to track impressions, clicks, and saves over time. When someone sees your pin, they'll see the product image, title, and description. If they click your affiliate link, they'll be redirected to the product sales page. If they decide to purchase the product, you'll earn a commission. This is how affiliate marketing with Pinterest and Digistore24 works. You can repeat this same process for other products you want to promote. Keep in mind the product price and how well it matches your audience. Some products may be more expensive, but if they solve a real problem, people will still buy them. Over time, focus on improving your Pinterest account by posting consistently and choosing the right products. This will help you reach more people and increase your chances of earning commissions. That's it for this video. I hope this walkthrough has helped you understand the entire process of promoting Digistore24 products on Pinterest, from finding the right products to creating pins that reach your audience effectively. Remember, affiliate marketing is all about connecting people with products they need, and Pinterest is a fantastic platform because your content can continue to generate traffic and commissions long after you post it. If you're just getting started, don't worry. Everyone begins somewhere, and taking consistent action is what leads to results. Even small steps like creating one pin a day or exploring a few products on Digistore24 can gradually build into a steady stream of traffic and sales. Over time, you'll learn which products resonate with your audience, how to write compelling descriptions, and how to optimize your Pinterest boards for better visibility. And here's something most people don't know. There's a unique way complete beginners are making money online using free AI tools like ChatGPT combined with social media platforms. This method is simple, requires no experience, and allows almost anyone to start earning by leveraging content and automation in a smart way. 99% of people haven't even heard of it yet, which is why it's such a powerful opportunity. If you want to see exactly how this works and learn step by step, you can click the link in the description to watch a free video that explains everything. This free video goes deeper into the strategy, showing how you can combine AI tools, social media platforms, and affiliate opportunities to create real income, even if you're a complete beginner. All the links I mentioned in this video, including Digistore24 and helpful resources, are available in the description below. You can follow along at your own pace and start applying these strategies right away. Take your time exploring, testing, and learning. The more you experiment, the better you'll get at creating pins and campaigns that actually convert.